Red Ranger 5000 Video Enterprises Inc. presents Joker pulls the fire alarm at school suspended/grounded. Good morning, class. Today's the day we're going to be taking a math test, so I hope you all studied last night. Dang it, I forgot that it was today. Now what am I going to do? That's it. I'm going to say that I have to use the bathroom, but in reality, I'm going to pull the fire alarm so that way we don't have to take the test. Great thinking, me. So with that being said, if anyone needs to use the bathroom or get a drink, please do so now, because I will not allow breaks during the test. Understand? Mr. Robot? Yes, Joker? May I please use the bathroom? You sure can, but hurry back, okay? Alright, will do. Yes. There it is, the glorious fire alarm. So, before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody's watching me. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. Okay, nobody panic. Alright, come follow me. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill. Let's go. Everybody, let's go. I'm here, guys. Alright, I'm coming. Me too. Wait for me. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, class, now that we have safely exited the building, I need to do a roll call to make sure that everyone's here. So when I call your name, just say here or present, okay? SpongeBob. Here. Mario. Yo. Luigi. Here. Fire Mario. Present. Penguin King. Here. Yoshi. Here. Toad. Here. Green Toad. Here. Joker. Wait a second. Where's Joker? I'm here, Mr. Robin. I'm here, Mr. Robot. Okay, I'm right here. There you are. Where were you? There you are. Where were you? There you are, Joker. Where were you? I was in the bathroom. Don't you remember? Oh, yeah. In the meantime. Alright, in the meantime, everyone's here. Alright, now that we have everyone, we just need to wait until further notice. A few minutes later. Beep. Beep. Attention all teachers and students. This is Principal Robinson speaking. You all may now re-enter the building because there was actually no fire to begin with. Also, Joker, please report to my office immediately. Oh, shut up, Mario. Hi, Mr. Robinson. How can I help you? Hello, Joker. I need to ask you a question. And what's that? So, do you know who pulled the fire alarm earlier? No, why? Well, you might want to come look at this. Okay, what is it? Go find out. Ah, yes. There it is, the glorious fire alarm. So before I do anything else, I need to make sure that nobody's watching me. And I don't think anybody's watching me. Anyhow, it is time to put my plan into action. No, that can't be me. I would never do such a thing like that. Joker, how dare you pull the fire alarm when there was literally no fire? That is a serious crime. You're lucky you're not in jail. It's an actual crime, you didn't know that? A crime? Yes, it is. And by that, you are suspended for 2 weeks, and I will call Batman about this. Go home right now while I call Batman. Oh, great. Here we go again. When Joker got home... Joker, I cannot believe you would pull the fire alarm and make all the teachers and students evacuate the building. You're lucky you're not in prison. That's it. You are grounded until your suspension time expires. And you will not play video games or go to Penguin's house during that time. Now go to your room right now. Fine. Screw you, Batman. And don't you talk to me like that either.